getting Betty back out on the trails finally.
Finally. It's been like a year and a half.
Yeah, it's been a while.
Believe it.
So we're at a local trail that we ride sometimes, and gonna meet a couple buddies down here. Go for an afternoon ride.
Yeah, it's hot out today too.
Yeah, 31 degrees.
Yep.
Celsius. So high 80s Fahrenheit.
Yeah, and we got a big storm last night, I think.
Yeah.
Lots of rain, and that makes for muddy trails.
She'll be muddy down there.
I can't wait.
Let's go. That's quite a trail entry in the winter when that's all ice and snow.
Yeah, it's like kind of pretty steep.
Yeah, it's pretty bumpy. It's dusty, eh?
Yeah, it's so dusty. I thought it'd be really
It's
muddy.
gonna be wet down here.
Watch out.
Turtle Island. Gonna head out for a rip shortly. Got Chris's quad, Jay's side by side.
Yeah.
All right, look at the school bus here. They got her jam packed.
That's why I got it. It's a minivan of side by side.
Let the tour begin.
Let's go.
All right, we got Chris back out. You ready to rip?
Yep.
Gonna get muddy?
Nope.
He's got his good clothes on,
I
so.
got my boots in here if we're gonna get muddy. Should I put my boots on?
You should put your boot.
Those are like brand new.
You should put your boots on. Those are fashionable.
They go with my shorts.
Yeah. All right.
So much for the mud. I think it's mostly dust. So
Yeah, so far a lot of dust.
let's go make our own
It's
mud.
gonna get muddy down there though, and then we're gonna cross the river too, so
Yeah.
that'll be deep. He's got his rubber boots on. Hold on.
I am for dear life.
A little tight in here.
Sweet.
A washout here. Yeah, these are awesome trails, right?
They're like so close to us.
Yeah. Oh, the first bit of mud.
Oh, I got muddy. I actually got muddy.
Oh,
So it begins.
so it begins.
No problem. Nice and muddy. Good thing I wore the Crocs.
This is better. That's dusty.
Hey, maybe don't soak my seat, eh?
I'll do my best.
All right.
All right, we'll try again.
Did he say he wanted to get muddy today or what?
Coming, man! I'm coming! Oh, here's a spider. I just bought these shoes, man. Dude. So this is the one that gets me every time. Forward? Go forward.
Not
I
this
wasn't
muddy.
expecting that.
We need to rinse off in the river.
Yeah, we need the river run now.
I got your seat ready for you here though.
Oh my god.
Look, I'll clean it off.
I'm gonna walk. Do you have any room? Do you have any room in
You
yours?
got an extra seat in the bus?
One of those might ride in there. Going for it? Maybe it is that one. It's one of these.
Are you gonna do that one now?
I don't know if Jay does it.
I don't have my tires. I can't
Oh, come on.
I can't get through anything with those tires.
Yeah, you should.
I think you should try it. I think you got it. I mean, I can't get any more money.
All right.
You should rattle it.
Oh my goodness. He's going sideways.
That didn't work. Jeez.
There's
What do you think?
That didn't work.
I wonder, this tire's not moving.
It's not?
five minutes in.
That's fine, yeah, go.
Where's Chris?
Chris is probably already back at the cabin.
What do you have to say for yourself?
You gotta give her.
That you always listen to your wife?
Yeah.
Because she said
If
do
you're
it.
out here, you gotta try it, right?
Yeah, why not? Why not?
I like it because usually I'm the guy doing it. Man, the winches are unreal. Look
Yeah.
at it. It just comes right up.
This is why you need a winch. We would be here for days.
Hey.
Final thoughts?
I think those are the two hard ones.
Yeah.
I think it gets easier. I hope.
Well,
Because we don't take go-arounds.
There's a big one right there. We kind of go around that one.
How's the walking trails here? Because I might have to walk.
It's a long walk. We'll get her rinsed off.
Good.
I'm not worried about it. Okay,
You wanna
let's
see if the
see if
tires
your
turn
tire's going.
Oh, your axle. You can see how the boot's all torn up.
Can't see anything.
See how the boot's all messed up?
Oh yeah.
She done. Good birthday present.
Oh yeah. All right, we lost the rear CV joint. We're down to one-wheel drive in the back, so we might have to try a go around.
See,
We found it.
What'd you lose?
My wedding ring.
Oh my god. I'm not letting him
There
out of
we
the house. What a guy.
All right, I think we're gonna take some go-arounds now.
Probably a good idea.
We're down to one-wheel drive.
And I'm a lot less money than you.
I can't even drive in this one-wheel drive.
If I were to stand up right now,
Yeah,
it'd be a lot moneyer because of this guy. But you found the wedding ring.
we found the wedding ring. And we're back on the road.
Here we go. Oh my god, Dave.
jungle. Jeez, that's thick mud, eh?
How are we gonna get through that with 3 wheels?
Chris is going completely the wrong way here.
Turn around. We'll see you on the other side.
Bye, Chris.
See ya. What are you doing just sitting in the middle of the river like that?
Of course.
What are you waiting for?
I'm just here for supervision.
Well, we need that out here. Okay, back to the little cabin here. I think that's the end of our ride today.
That was so much fun. Weather was perfect.
Great to get out for a little ride, even if it was just a couple hours. All right, back to the trailer. That was a good run.
It was so much fun.
Bit of everything.
Yeah, we got stuck.
Winched out,
Mud.
broke something.
Some water.
So we did it all.
So fun.
Yeah.
Yeah, I didn't expect that today at all.
Yeah. And your first time out in
Like
a year or so.
Yeah, so it was so much fun. I want to do it again soon.
Yeah.
But we crammed so much into like a short period of time. It was perfect. Yeah.
Well, we'll see if you can get you out for the next one.
Yeah, let's do it.